Hello and welcome, and today we're going to do another interactive science workshop, and today we're going to make this high-tech hand or claw, I think, with 3 fingers on it, and the idea with it is you have little strings that you pull on and it moves like a real hand, like a real finger. Okay, to do this activity you will need an A4 sheet of cardboard, scissors, a pen or a pencil, 2 large straws, some masking tape, some string, a ruler, and either a hot glue gun or some craft glue. Right, let's get started. Okay, to make this high-tech claw or high-tech hand, we're going to need to cut up this cardboard. So we're going to need 1 large piece for the palm, which will be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and 9 pieces for the fingers, 3 for each, and they are 2 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. So let's rule that up. Right, when you've done that, we'll cut it up. Okay, the next bit we're going to make this, cut the top off here, so about a thumb width, and just cut that off there. And this is where our 3 fingers are going to go. 1 there, and 1 here. Right, let's cut up the straw. So we want to make when we cut the straw, we want it less than 2.5 centimeters. So when you cut it, you want it slightly less than that, so it can bend. So you need 9 of these. Alright, next step is to glue these bits of straw onto the little finger parts. So for this you can use hot glue or just craft glue. If you use craft glue, it's going to take a bit longer. All right, just like that, and we'll do that another 8 times. Okay, so with our fingers now, we should have them all ready to go. Now we need to get some pieces of tape. We need them cut about 12 centimeters long, and then we can stick on the finger segments. So I'll do this. I'll put this here. So you want to stick it on the back, like that. And then when you put the finger pieces on, you want to leave a little gap, like this. The little gap is so it can move like a joint. Like that, and we'll do another one. All right, for the next bit, we're going to need 3 pieces of string, a approximately 18 centimeters, and 3 little tabs of tape there. And we're going to feed the string through the little bits of straw that we've got here. And so if it's a bit difficult to go through, you can get a bit of tape and just put it on the end. Roll it around the end, and then it will give you a nice firm piece to go through the straw. Hopefully that's easier. Nice and easy all the way through. When you get to the end, cut off the bit of tape that we've used. And now fold this over to the other side like that, and just put the small piece of tape right, like this. Now it should work. I'll repeat that for the other two. All right, and that's it. Now the fingers should come up when you pull the string. So how does it actually work? So dividing it into 3 joints, we're able to make the hand move realistically by using the string to create a very simple pulley system. So pulleys are used a lot, and they do a lot of clever things. Here, the pulleys that are running through the bits of straw that you pull in one direction, which is across, and we get movement in a different direction. Okay, like that. So it pulls across, and then we get the movement coming up and around. And you can also feel this happening in your own hand. If you put your finger across your wrist and you move one of your fingers, there's a tendon that runs through there, and you can feel it, and you can feel a different tendon move when you move different fingers. All right, have fun and see you later. So tomorrow we'll be doing a self-inflating balloon. So you'll need bicarb soda, vinegar, small plastic bottle or glass bottle, and of course a balloon. Another activity is the exploding container. For this one you'll need bicarb soda, vinegar, and some sort of plastic pop-off container. We can't have a screw-on cap, so a film container or one like I've got there that the lid pops off. For jumping seeds, we'll need bicarb soda, water, apple seeds or any type of seeds, lemon juice, and a plastic cup or something similar.